হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, মহুল বুটিকের এই তৃতীয় এপিসোডে আপনাদের সকলকে জানাই স্বাগত। আজ আমরা দেখতে চলেছি মহুল বুটিকের সংগ্রহে কী ধরনের হ্যান্ড ওভেন শাড়িজ রয়েছে এবং তাতে কি কি ধরনের কাজ মূলত আমরা করিয়ে থাকি। আমি বরাবর বলে থাকি যে we always give preference to traditional items and traditional works. So in that case, plain hand woven sarees are also available in our boutique, and if you want to get it customized with the different sorts of works according to your own taste, we can also do the same for you. আজ আমরা দেখব প্লেন কনসেপ্টের কী কী শাড়ি রয়েছে একটা ঝলক, এবং সাথে কিছু কিছু শাড়িতে কী ধরনের কাজগুলো আমরা মূলত করিয়ে থাকি তার কিছু ঝলক। The first sari will be a Ghicha Tasar in Ganga Yamuna border concept. The upper border will be in black color and the lower will be in red color. And the pallu will be in a mixture of red and black. The entire body color will be in natural Tasar color. The blouse piece will be attached to the sari and the same comes in red concept again. Here goes the sari. A very dignified piece. The price for such type of saris is 5775. Here goes the sari. So this one will be the sari concept as a whole. Number 2. This is again a Tasar silk in bold orange color. The upper part will be plain as shown likewise, while the lower portion has been weaved in temple concept. Here goes the sari, and the palla will be accordingly likewise. A very smart piece with striped blouse piece again. The concept of the sari is like that. Such type of Tasar silks can be dyed according to your own taste. We have numerous color options with us as well. Sari number 3. The fabric of the sari is a pure raw silk concept in a combination of bold magenta color, and the blouse piece will be in mustard yellow again. So here goes the palla, likewise in a combination of magenta and mustard yellow. A very beautiful piece and smart piece as well. We have got numerous color options in this particular fabric. This is a pure raw silk sari in a class of its own. And the range of this sari is 5775. After a serial of 3 bright colors, now let's check what's there in some offbeat shades. Sari number 4. This particular piece is for them who are in true sense light color lovers. The entire sari goes in a combination of milk white raw silk and Tasar combination. It's an extremely elegant piece. The price range for the same is 8975. A sari, a beautiful sari in a class of its own. Here goes the sari. Munga color. It's a shade which is liked by lots of lovely ladies, and our 5th display is in a combination of Muga and red. The entire body color of the sari is in Munga color, we can define it as a masterpiece as well. And the border goes in red and black combination likewise throughout the entire sari, and here goes the palla in a combination of red and black. A very beautiful piece. Hope you can make out from the same. It's a very beautiful piece. Sari goes likewise, and the blouse piece will be in red again. Here goes the blouse piece in red again. There is a slight touch of zari as well. Here goes the blouse piece. The price of this sari will be 7475. Likewise goes the sari. Till now we have seen plain hand woven products which are there in our boutique. Now we are going to display what type of embroidery works we usually do in such type of products. Come, let's have a glance of the same. Sari number 6. It's a beautiful hand woven tussar in which such type of embroideries in red and black combination has been done throughout the entire sari to give it an extraordinary look likewise. How beautiful it looks. See. Likewise goes the entire sari, and the range of such type of saris will be around 7475. You will find such type of motifs throughout the entire sari likewise. This type of saris are usually single piece concept. Sari number 7. The fabric is again an hand woven tussar silk in which such type of floral motifs have been done in a combination of pink and blue. Likewise goes the entire sari, making it an extraordinary piece apart from others. The price of this sari goes around 7675. See. Likewise goes the product. Hope you are liking the same. Our next sari is a masterpiece again. The fabric is pure tussar silk in which a sleek piping border in rust color has been done throughout the entire sari. Also small sequins have been used to highlight the sari in a unique way. I don't know how much it's visible, and the main part is the pallu where cut work has been done thoroughly to give the sari an extraordinary look. Likewise goes the palla of the sari. See. Likewise goes the palla. Also noteworthy is the blouse part of this sari, where the entire blouse has been decorated with cut work in jacket pattern likewise. Here goes the blouse. And likewise will be the sleeves again, where the work has been done intricately to give it a very rich look. So this is a masterpiece again, and the price of this particular sari is 9,775. Likewise goes the sari. Whichever product you are liking, you can take the screenshot and you can send it to 700-5819-788. If you do have any queries also, you can send message or WhatsApp in that very number. We will reply as early as possible. Our next display is a Tasar silk again, which has been dyed in mustard yellow shade. The border of the sari has been decorated in Kashmiri motifs, likewise in multiple colors, giving it a very rich look. Both the borders have been equally handcrafted likewise. Also there are multiple small buttias throughout the entire sari, giving it an extraordinary look likewise. Here goes the sari. Also there will be a running blouse piece, and the cost of this sari will come around 9,775. The last sari of today's episode goes likewise. You know, it's very hard to define such type of creations. The sari is a Tasar silk which has been dyed in a red, tomato red, you can say, tomato red color. In this sari, throughout the entire lower portion, such type of handworks have been done by our artisans. Just look at the creation and feel the patience behind such tedious works to give the sari an extraordinary look. And the pallu of the sari also goes likewise with a beautifully hand painted work. Likewise goes the pallu. এ ধরনের কাজ আমাদের অনেক প্যাট্রনসদের ওয়ার্ড্রবে অলরেডি রয়ে গেছে। আরও যাদের কিছু ডিমান্ড যদি কারো কিছু থেকে থাকে, we are always ready to create the same for you. এ ধরনের শাড়িগুলো মূলত প্রাইস রেঞ্জ হয় 10,775. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let's see what's there in our next episode. Till then, take care and stay safe. দেখা যাক পরবর্তী এপিসোডে কি রয়েছে আরো। ততদিন ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।